Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in oil. Heat a few inches of neutral oil to a steady 325 degrees F, crack eggs into small cups, and gently slide each egg into the oil. Keep the oil calm, cook until whites are set and yolks remain soft, then lift eggs on a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels before serving. Prepare your station with a deep, heavy pot, a reliable thermometer, and a slotted spoon. Warm neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, to 325 degrees F and keep it steady. Crack eggs into individual small cups to reduce splashing when you slide them into oil. Work in batches to avoid crowding, and use paper towels to blot excess oil after lifting eggs so they stay crisp but not greasy. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to help the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts, perfect when you're standing at the stove. I mention that because good gear makes cooking more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep the oil temperature between 320 and 330 degrees F for best texture and consistent cooking. Gently slide eggs in one at a time and cook without crowding the pot so they don't stick together or cool the oil. Use a slotted spoon to lift eggs after the whites set and the yolks wobble, then blot and season right away so salt and pepper cling nicely to the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.